Hello guys, in this video I will show you a website which offers you $30 of free credits inside your Claude account. So the website name is lumasol.vip. So I've zoomed in. Simply go to the browser, type this address lumosel.vip. I recently just came across this website just 2 weeks ago, and this website claims that it will give you $30 of free credits whenever you sign up. So it gives you the API key, and the only requirement is that you need a simple Telegram account. You should be on Telegram. So I've already logged in. So you have the option to log in with your Google account. So once you log in, you just need to complete the Telegram verification. So if you don't have account on Telegram, you can't do this. So simply create an account on Telegram. And after the verification, it gives you $30 of free credits. So it's actually logging in and redirecting me to the dashboard area. So this dashboard looks something like this. So you need to activate your free 14-day free trial. And now to unlock that, you click on this button, verify with Telegram. As soon as you click the button, you will see this button, generate verification link. And as soon as you do this, you open the Telegram or copy this link. So you simply join this bot a channel. One more step, join our channel. Then tap on the verification link. So we need to join their channel. So I simply join the channel. As you see, it has just 4,000 subscribers. So once you do this, you join the channel. Let me just refresh. Okay, once you join the channel, again you need to tap on the verification link. Verified. Your 14-day free trial is now active. Head back to the Lamazon. Your dashboard will update shortly. So that's all that you need to do, guys. Simply verify with your Telegram and you will get this message. And now your 14-day free trial has been granted to me. And if I try to see the balance now, so it will shortly be updated. Simply just check after 5 minutes, your balance will be updated. You are actually successfully verified using as you see I've already logged in through the Telegram, and if I check you the overview section right here, and now to get the this is actually the chatting section. So basically all the Claude models are available by default. Fable 5 is selected, Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet, Gemini. So if you check the system right here, all the models are there. We also have Gemini, GLM, GPT, Claude Opus, all models are there. Kimi K3 as well. So we have this chat prompt right here. And then if you want to create a API key, it's quite simple. You simply go to API key, and now to create the API key, simply click on new API key, just give it a name. So this is your API key. That's very simple to create. After that, we just go to documentation. Now to use this API is quite simple. You can also use it in Claude Code as well. If you have Claude Code directly installed, you can use this API key inside Claude Code. The instructions are given. just create a settings.json file and simply paste the base URL and then your this API key and select the model Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet and directly use it inside Claude Code and then launch Claude. And directly you can use this API key in Claude. It's also a OpenAI compatible API, so this full example is also given. You can create a Python script. Just paste the this is the base URL, and right here you need to paste the API key that you got. So let me just paste the API key. So right here you paste the API key and let me change the message from hi to simply to ask it to tell me the top 10 frameworks of Node.js in 2026. And we are using, as you can see, we are using Claude Opus 4.8 model. And now if I go to the terminal, simply execute this Python script. So you will actually see the API will work. So you need to wait for at least 15 to 20 minutes after you verified using your Telegram account because it takes some time to validate it. So usage section, as you can see right here, 4 hour window. So after you verify with Telegram, you need to wait for some time. The credits will be granted. After that, you can use the API directly inside Cloud Code, or you can use it by any way. If you do want to top up, you can pay with a credit card to top up. But the main thing was that you need to verify through Telegram to get the $30. So, so these are all the rates which are given. Image generation. They have tell that the dashboard will update shortly. So just check after 30 minutes or whatever thing. This will change to $30. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel. I have used it many times with different Google accounts. So for this, you just need to wait for some time. You can see that all these models are there. So you can see that this is the free plan.